Tenses. Tense means time. Therefore, tense is a form of verb that tells the time when an action happens, has happened, or will happen. Tenses are of three types. Present tense. For example, I write a letter to my father. Past tense. For example, I wrote a letter to my father. Future tense. For example, I shall write a letter to my father. A sentence in the present tense can be changed into the past tense by simply changing the form of the verb. For example, fly flew, write wrote, eat ate, help helped, tell told. Present tense. The present tense tells that an action is happening now or in the present. In this class, we will study the simple present tense and the present continuous tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to tell an action that is always true, that we do as a matter of habit or often. For example, the sun rises in the east. I get up at 6 in the morning. The baby drinks milk. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to tell an action that is going on at the present moment and is not yet over. We use am, is or are plus ing at the end of the verb to make it in the present continuous tense. For example, I am reading a book. The child is crying. The horses are galloping. Here are some more examples. Ravi is reading a storybook. The girls are dancing. Neeraj is singing a song. Remember, in this tense, we use adverbs such as daily, every day, always, sometimes, rarely, often, seldom, and occasionally. We make a present tense negative by adding not with do or does. Past tense. The past tense is used to tell an action that has already taken place. In this class, we will study the simple past tense and the past continuous tense. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to tell an action that has taken place in the past. In this tense, we use the second form of the verb with all nouns and pronouns. For example, I wrote a letter to my father. Rahul spoke to me over the phone. Mother bought a new sari for herself. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to tell an action that was going on at some time in the past. The verb tells us of such an action. We use ing at the end of the verb plus was or were. For example, the children were enjoying the movie. The chairman was waiting for everyone to arrive. The gardener was watering the plants. Future tense. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to tell an action that will take place in the future. I will go to the market with my mother. We shall watch the sunrise from the mountain top. They will reach in time only if they leave now. Remember, in this tense, we use shall or will before the verb to make it into future tense. Shall is used after I or we. Will is used with he, she, it, you and they. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to tell an action that it'll be going on at some time in the future. We use ing at the end of the verb plus will be or shall be. For example, we shall be going to Shimla during the Dashera holidays. Mrs. Smith will be teaching us English this year also. I shall be arriving late in the evening.